people, after long I am here doing a review, and it's like when we are not facing the camera often enough. Yeah, really, camera. I mean, we're not facing our phone also often enough. It suddenly becomes a little scary to actually sit down and do a recording and all. So, but you know what? Yesterday I saw this spectacular film on Z5 called किस किसी का भाई किसी की जान. Now, so that should tell you that of late I've been having some time on my hands, because in terms of this movie, Salman Khan movie is such that I mean, I wrote a review of it on my Instagram, that is Amrita Suresh 111. So I mean, here this film is like that's what na. Salman Khan takes off where Rajnikant left off. Takes over where Rajnikant left off, because it is a out of the universe kind film, because see, at some level this film tries to attempt a whole satya pe satta kind of thing, where there are these three orphaned brothers who Salman Khan adopts, and no, not three brothers, these are apparently three random children, like whatever, like, so, but all through the movie we have like these tall young men who propel the story forward, but not so much, because the main footage is given, of course, to Salman Khan and his wig. And then, of course, Pooja Hegde is the one saving grace of this film. But really, yeah, this film is like out of the universe, really. I mean, at some level, Salman Khan has tried to give employment to so many people through this film. But if only he had given employment to a good script writer, this movie that goes all over the place would have at least had some audience. Yeah, I mean, it's like, so anyway, Kisi ka bhai kisi ki jaan, you can watch it, I mean, if you're really brave, on Z5, because it's one of these typical Salman Khan films. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.